The full form of RAM is random access memory. The information stored in this type of memory is lost when the power supply to the PC or laptop is switched off. The information stored in RAM can be checked with the help of BIOS. Basically, there are two types of RAM, but depending on the function, there are different important types of RAM, random access memory, which are given below in this video. Number 1. Static RAM. Static RAM is the full form of SRAM. In this type of RAM, data is stored using the state of a 6-transistor memory cell. Static RAM is mostly used as a cache memory for the processor, CPU. Number 2. Dynamic RAM. DRAM stands for Dynamic Random Access Memory. It is a type of RAM which allows you to store each bit of data in a separate capacitor within a specific integrated circuit. Dynamic RAM is a standard computer memory of many modern desktop computers. This type of RAM is a volatile memory that needs to be refreshed with voltage regularly. Else it loses the information stored on it. Number 3. FPM DRAM. Fast Page Mode Dynamic Random Access Memory is a type of RAM that waits through the entire process of locating a bit of data by column and row and then reading the bit before it begins on the next bit. Max transfer rate is around 176 megabits per second. Number 4. SDRAM. SDRAM is a full form of synchronous dynamic access memory. It has access times between 25 and 10 nanosecond, and they are in DIMM, dual inline memory modules of 168 contacts. They store data using capacitors using ICs, integrated circuits. On one of its sides, they have terminations, which can be inserted inside of the individual slots for the motherboard's memory. Number 5. Road RAM. Rambus Dynamic Random Access Memory is a full form of RDRAM. This type of RAM chips works in parallel, which allows you to achieve a data rate of 800 MHz or 1600 megabits per second. It generates much more heat as they operate at such high speeds. Number 6. VRAM. RAM optimized for video adapters is called VRAM. These chips have two ports so that video data can be written to chips at the same time the video adapter regularly reads the memory to refresh the monitor's current display. Number 7. EDO RAM. EDO DRAM is an abbreviation of Extended Data Output Random Access Memory. It doesn't wait for the completion of the processing of the first bit before continuing to the next one. As soon as the address of the first bit is located, EDO DRAM begins looking for the next bit. Number 8. DDR SDRAM. The full form of DDR SDRAM is Double Data Rate Synchronous Dynamic Random Access Memory. It is just like SDRAM. The only difference between the two is that it has a higher bandwidth, which offers greater speed. Its maximum transfer rate to L2 cache, which is approximately 1064 megabits per second.